Introducing the Otek Voltsafe 422, your all-in-one power solution for home and office. Inside the box, you'll find the Voltsafe 422 extension board with a 2-meter heavy-duty cord and user instructions, all neatly packed. This board features 4 universal sockets, 2 USB-A ports, and 2 high-speed Type-C ports for fast, reliable charging of all your devices. Simply plug it into a wall outlet. The 2500 watt capacity and 10 amp rating handle everything from laptops and desktops to home appliances. Use the universal sockets for major electronics and the USB or Type-C ports for mobile devices, all without needing extra adapters. The built-in surge protection guards your electronics against voltage spikes, ensuring total safety for your valuable devices. Perfect for home, work, or play. The Otek Voltsafe 422 delivers powerful performance with sleek design. Stay connected, stay safe,